Welcome back, guys. I have my LinkedIn account logged in already by using my Gmail, as I've shown you earlier in the previous lesson. And right now, I want to try to brand this profile. I have to come to my Twitter to steal some branding tips I used on Twitter. So the first thing I have to do is I was told welcome below. The first thing I have to do is to brand my page. I'll click on this, and here I have the LinkedIn cover and I have the profile image here, which has to be a portrait and a very professional looking picture. I'll use the same picture I'm using on Twitter, of course. I'll use the same picture. All I have to do is to save the image. I'll save that, and I'll use the same cover page. I'll save this as well, and I'll come back to LinkedIn to input that. I'll input this first, edit profile background. I'll just come to download and I'll choose this and I'll open that, and let's see how it fits in. So this is what it looks like. I'm going to use this, of course. So here we have this, and all I have to do is to apply this to my cover page. So I have my LinkedIn cover page that way, and you can also design a cover page by using Canva. I'll just show you how to get the right size. And coming back here, I have to input my profile picture, and I'll upload a profile picture right here, the one I saved. I'm going to open that, and this is what I'll upload right now, and I'll save the photo, and we have this like saved as well. Coming back to my Canva, if you want to do a LinkedIn cover page design, just type LinkedIn on the search templates and look for templates that say something about LinkedIn cover. We have a whole lot here. This is a LinkedIn background photo. This is something you can use. Once you click on this, you can edit it to your taste and use it for your LinkedIn cover, unlike mine that I took from my Twitter page. You can easily brand your page as that. And having to do that, I'm going to click on this to edit other details about me, and that's what the branding is all about. Beloved, the last name is Adejuigbe, and my headline will be a tech instructor. Let's use tech instructor on Udemy. So this will be my headline because I'm a tech instructor on Udemy. And current position, you can leave this right now because this has to do with optimizing your profile. And the industry I service is IT services and consulting. You can leave that as that. My education, my location, I can add my location, and my city should be Minna, Niger State for now. And right here you can save this and see some changes. This way you get to see that your intro is saved, and coming back here you see that this tech instructor on Udemy, my cover page is here and every other thing, but my profile still looks bland, like it's not looking so professional. And all we can do is to continue with the edit, and coming back here I have to continue with the edit which says add new position. So now we have to add new position. Adding new position means your current work, the job you do currently. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put tech instructor. If you're not seeing tech instructor, just put IT trainer. So this is information technology instructor. I can leave this. And employment type, is it part-time, is contract based? And the company name, I'll use Udemy as the company name, and this is Udemy. Location, you can leave that. Location type, remote, it has to be remote. I'm currently working in this role, yes, and I started, let's say, June 2023, and we leave that as that. And description, I can come here to type my name, Beloved Adejuigbe, and take my instructor bio like this tech instructor and use it for the description. I'll say meet Beloved Adejuigbe and copy this, then I'll paste this. Having to paste this, then I have all these sorted, then save. Add skill, the skill I've taught so far on Udemy: web design, of course, web design, and let's take another skill, graphic design, of course, graphic design, and we're going to add that. And marketing, of course, marketing, online marketing. So I'm going to choose this three for now because those are the courses I have so far. So I'm going to save that. You can add media, and I can just add a link to my profile right here. I'm going to copy this and add it right here. That's how to optimize your profile. Actually, I'm going to paste this and I'm going to add that link. And having to add this link, I'm going to have the link right here with a description. I can save that experience, and having to save this experience experience. Once you go back to my page and share your new position with your network, I'll just share it. Let me share this new position with my network, of course. I'm happy to share that I'm starting a new position, technology instructor on Udemy. You can change the thumbnail and I'll next this, then I'll post this. So I have this already. Did you find this job on LinkedIn? No. I would complain website, save, and here we have the whole experience added. So let's save this and see what it is right now. So having to save this, let me come to the experience section and you see that I've added this Udemy contract, my current job on Udemy, and it's showing my skill here and the pages I've followed. That's how to optimize LinkedIn basically, and you can check for more optimization. You can try to edit more and see what it's all about. Show current complaint in my intro. You don't need to do that. Add position, add new education. So I'll add my education. Let me add like one education. You can add more about you can add them. So I'll just add a simple, I'm just showing you how to do that. I'll add my current school, Federal University of Technology, mina. This is it, and degree is bachelor's degree, of course, Bachelor of Technology, BTech, and the field of study is cyber security, and my start date is November 2019, and my end date is actually going to be November 2025, and grade can be left out, the activities and society can be left out, and your skill can be added by saying cybersecurity. Of course, it has to be cybersecurity. Let me use cybersecurity tools, just that, and you can save that as your education. And let's see what it looks like right now. Having to save this, and your education has been saved. Something important about this is that once you have all this saved, you get to see people from the same school, and next connect with people you may know from Federal University of Technology. Now you get to see people from the same school as you are, then you can connect with them easily. That's another way to promote yourself on LinkedIn. It's very easy as that. Just connect with people from the same sphere of influence you've had or you are having, which is Footmina is my sphere of influence right now. So I can add people from the same school and have them connected to my profile. That's something interesting about LinkedIn. And having this, I'm going to just continue my profile optimization, and I'm going to skip that. Then you can ask for a recommendation. This is one thing that can boost your credibility as well. Ask for a recommendation from your connects and find someone you've worked with or someone you know that can actually send you a recommendation, or just try to get a recommendation from someone like this, Moses Nebichuku. I'm going to continue that, and it's going to send this notification to the person. Relationship: Moses was senior, you worked with Moses in the same group, you're a client, Moses was client of yours, Moses mentored you're a student together. So I can say you work with Moses in the same group because I worked with this person in the same group, and I can just say instructor at Udemy and send this right now. So having to send this to Moses, I'm going to be able to get a recommendation from him, and recommendation helps boost your profile. As you can see, I've added experience, I've added education. You can add more of these and do more of branding to your profile. By the time I'm done with the profile branding on my own, it will look so good. So you can do more of that. Those are the basic things you need to do. That's why I'm sharing you that. I hope to see you in the next lesson where we get to talk more about LinkedIn optimization and how you can market yourself on LinkedIn. I hope to see you in the next lesson. See you there.